Hi guys, Jason here, Jason's Creative Adventures, and today we're getting actually around to working on cleaning out the playroom. Got a lot of work to do, and there's a lot of stuff we got to do. Over here you can see this pile of underneath that's mostly stuffed animals. And then other random stuff has been thrown up there, such as toys and beanbag chairs and God knows what's in that pile. And over here, we got Gabby sleeping. Over there, we got the pile of stuff I've already gone through and packed away. There's Diamond, tripping all over herself.
I'm not here.
Yeah, you are.
No.
But we got to go through that eventually and figure out a better place. I have a storage room, but the storage room is out of whack and needs gone through. But here's my boxes up here against the wall that I'm going to use to sort through stuff here in the playroom. See, the playroom is a mess, and it's always a mess, but part of the problem is there's so many toys. Look at this. This is a total chaotic mess, and we got to go through all these toys and try to decide what we're going to keep, what we're going to get rid of, and thin this out. Majorly thin this out. I still got to replace the bulbs and that light right there, so it brightens up this area. Without that light, this room is very dark. It's very, very dark. So there's even stuff in that closet underneath the stairs. It's just a mess. So we're going to come in here, and I'm not going to film me during the process much. I might do a few clips here and there, but for the most part, like the kitchens and stuff, we're going to keep, and then we got to wipe them down because they're disgusting. Things have been spilled on there. Milk bottles have been splattered all over the place. It's just needs to be gone through. So I'm going to come in here, throw on some sort of movie, maybe something appropriate for the kids, or maybe something I want to watch, or just throw some music CDs or something. I don't know. But I'm going to have some background noise. And we're going to go through this stuff. Work on it for a little while. This is probably going to be a more than one day project. Bigger toys I plan on keeping. It's the little toys and a lot of the stuffed animals that need to be gone through. And these books. The kids have tons of books. Elena loves books. Problem is, they never get put back neatly. They always get piled like this, and then left all over the place. We've tried to get the kids to clean up after themselves. We need to work harder. If we can thin these out, it'll be a lot easier for them to clean and have places for them to put stuff. So got all this stuff to be gone through. Look at all this stuff the kids have, and there's even a little bit of stuff upstairs that have been dragged back upstairs, so we need to go through it all. So that's what we're going to be doing. Me and Diamond are going to be working on this for a little while. And then we got to go pick up Elena and go do some other things, run some errands. And try to be quiet for Mama, because Mama's trying to sleep because she started third shift. So, catch you guys in the next scene. Okay, so Diamond and I have been working really hard today. Down here and upstairs, but mainly in here. Diamond's been working hard too, right, Diamond?
Yes.
Okay, we're in here We got started. We got a lot of things done. We got a lot of stuff cleared out. We did.
I'm trying to get the books sorted out.
Yep, she's getting the book sorted, and even though we did a lot of work, it still doesn't look like we made much of a dent yet. But there's a lot to do. Got some garbage bags filled. Got a few things in these 3 boxes here, and we got a lot more to do. Walmart didn't have the bulbs for that, and I didn't have time to go anywhere else to get bulbs for that, so I don't even know if that's the problem. I don't know if it's a cord.
Guess we colored that one for Elena. Me.
That's nice, Diamond.
This? No, I'm gonna throw out the window. If it keeps that on my foot.
Alright, Diamond, that has nothing to do with what we're doing here. Alright. So we got a lot of picking up to do, and just putting stuff up is one of the biggest things we need to do.
Okay.
And then sorting through it and trying to get stuff, pieces put back together and corralled for different toys, where pieces of different toys have gotten just scattered all over in here. And then we get all that stuff put together, then we can start deciding what we're keeping and what we're getting rid of. So we're probably going to be getting rid of quite a bit of the smaller stuff. And that bookcase right there, I really need to just tear it down and build something out of real wood instead of the pressed board, because that thing is probably going to wind up being a little bit of a safety hazard, because it has been tacked back together several different times with nails and screws and stuff, and I'm surprised it's still standing. So I don't want the kids getting poked by nails and screws and stuff because the thing falls apart, because it's just barely up.
Where do I put all the toys, all the books? If you're gonna turn that down, where am I gonna put it all?
I'll make another bookcase. We'll buy or make another bookcase.
Buy it, because I need to keep books somewhere. I can't put books anywhere else.
So we're gonna get it done.
Anywhere else.
So we got a lot of stuff, a lot of little projects to do. But I'm going on the road tonight. Gotta go to Colorado, and I'll be back. And then we're celebrating my daughter's birthday. We're probably going to be really busy with a lot of things, and I probably won't get to this weekend. It'll probably be middle of next week before I get to this. So probably Tuesday, Wednesday, most likely. Let me see. Let's see. No, I'll be home Sunday, Monday, gone Tuesday, home Wednesday, Thursday. So that's probably when I'll get back to this little project over here, and to the garden too, trying to clear out that. So I'll be working on both things, try to split up my time and doing everything else I got to do. So all right, I'll catch back with you when I make more progress on either one of those or anything else around here. See you next scene. Bye. Alright guys, I've decided I'm just going to leave what I've done so far on this video clip, and then just keep updating you a little bit at a time, and try to keep the videos slightly shorter and just update you as I get done with things with the playroom. There's Elena over there coloring.
My homework from school.
Say good night, YouTube.
Good night, YouTube.
Oops. Alright guys, catch you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Subscribe.